Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of your review channel. This video is about microphones. If you do any type of vlogging at all or any type of voiceover work at all, you need a microphone, right? So I picked up a new audio Technica AT2035. I've been using a BM-800 and the new one cost me 6 times more. So I'm doing a side-by-side comparison. You tell me what you think about the audio difference between these two microphones. So here they are right here, the Audio Technica, which is the brand new one I just received, and the BM-800, which I've been using for the last couple of years. Both excellent microphones, but I think the Audio Technica could be better. It costs more. I don't know. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. You tell me what you think. Leave comments below, and let's get into this test. Okay, guys. Now I'm talking to you from my camera. Okay, I'm not going to go live into the audio yet for the microphones, but we're going to be testing out these two microphones. Okay, we have a BM-800 in my right hand, and we have an Audio Technica AT2035 in my left hand. Two microphones. We want to know how they sound. You can give me all the specs you want. You can give me all the frequency responses. You give me everything. The bottom line is, how do they sound on YouTube or on the other side? That's the big question. I mean, I watch all these reviews and it's giving me all the specs and all the numbers, and that's great. But how does it sound? How does it respond? What does it sound like? That's really the main thing. This is a $25 mic. This is a $150 microphone. There is a big difference, 6 times the cost, right? I mean, 25, 150. So basically, the build on this microphone is, honestly, if you're just starting out and you're just beginning your channel and you're just getting things going, this is a great microphone. Nothing wrong with it. It works well. This microphone is an upgrade for me. So I went from this microphone here, which is, again, it was a great microphone. Got a couple years out of it, but I wanted a little bit better sound, a little bit more deeper bass, just a little bit richer voice texture. And we're gonna go do a side-by-side comparison on these two microphones and to see what you think, which one sounds either better or good, the same. Leave comments below. Let me know what you think. And let's get into this review. This is a bare bones review. Basically, it's a no BS review. What does it cost and how does it sound? That's pretty much what we're down to here. So I'm talking to you right now on my camera. And that's mounted on my tripod. But we're going to do the audio test. We're going to go live into this audio test right now. And we're going to see which one you think sounds the best and so forth. And we'll go right through it and tell me what you think. So let's start out first with the less expensive microphone. Let me disconnect this microphone. And just to let you know, and just full transparency, I am using a Focusrite Solo for the amp. And we are at roughly 3/4 power, so you know that. Okay, so let's start out with the BM-800. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll tilt it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. So these are both nice quality microphones. So maybe you can hear me right now. I'm talking actually on the microphone right now itself. It's around 4 inches away from my mouth. So you know, it's around 4 inches away from my mouth. It's around 4 inches away from my mouth. How does it sound? Please let me know below. It's about 4 inches away from my mouth. It's around 4 inches away from my mouth. How does it sound? These are both cardioid microphones, okay? So you have to talk into the front of it, and this one picks up the audio right here. The meshes and both of these microphones are excellent. Just so you know, the quality build is not bad. This is a much heavier build, but this is not bad for $25. Okay, I'll leave links below for both these microphones. Check them out for yourself if you're just starting out. But like I said, this is the review basically for this microphone and then the Audio Technica, the upgrade. So one more time, how does it sound? How does it sound? From the bottom, how does it sound? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 inches away from my mouth. Now let's plug in the Audio Technica and let's see if there's a difference. I'm now talking into the Audio Technica microphone. I did not change any settings whatsoever on the amp at all. Same exact 4 inches away from my mouth. How does it sound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll turn it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How does it sound? How does this microphone sound? Can you hear the difference? If you can, let me know which one you think sounds better or the same. Or does it make a difference? I don't know. I look at the reviews. I try to figure out all the specs. I just want to know how it sounds. That's all I care about. I mean, and price is important. and quality and so forth. This is a heavy duty quality. It's a great microphone. So how does it sound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm talking in a normal voice. I'm talking in a normal voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Welcome to YouTube, the greatest channel in the world. This is the great. So that's why I like to play around. So you tell me which one sounded better or the same, worse, doesn't matter. Did I overpay? Let me know. Is this a better microphone? I don't know. Is this a better microphone? I don't know. You be the judge. Please let me know what you think about this review. I mean, like I said, $25, $150. This is considerably much heavier microphone, a nice quality, really good quality build. This is a little less expensive, a little less quality build, as you can tell, but you do get what you pay for, as they say. So that's it for me right now. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you found some value out of this, I would appreciate it if you did subscribe. Also, share and like. That does help me out quite a bit, as you all know. Thanks for tuning into your review channel. You make it a great day, and tune in to the next one. You never know what I'm going to review next. Have a great day. Okay, guys, I wanted to pop back in real quick here and just give you a quick thought. I was watching this video back as I was editing it, and I definitely think the Audio Technica is definitely cleaner. I don't hear a lot of back noise in the background, the hiss. It's just a lot cleaner. It's more focused. You don't really hear that. It's really clean. So that's the difference I can hear. Tell me what you think you can hear. I think the Audio Technica definitely has a definitely cleaner. The other microphone's really more of a, it picks up all the noise, picks up all the audio more so than just direct the voice or it's just you know, it's trying to compensate for everything, and you just can't for that kind of price. And that's my thoughts. So tell me what you think. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate that, and thanks for tuning in.